night, guys. Done with the king, one more round, and then we're doing the 040, well, the 040 shunter. And I guess looking to get a new headphones, because mine are dying. Right, this one, just looking through Amazon. Beats, definitely not Beats. Do I like the headphones I got? Yeah, they're really good. I highly recommend getting them if you got a pair. They're cheapest £59. That's how much I paid for mine, and they're really good quality as well. They're really nice. Highly recommend getting them. 20 quid, 109. So they've got to be good. 25. Oh, yeah. It's just coming around again. Right, I'm going to stop it here in a second. 125. Speaker set's really good. So yeah, really good. A really good speaker. So should we get A4 or should we leave it tonight? Because I know what the A4 can be like with moving the loco around. Go down a little bit. There we go. There we go. The 060's had it while it wants. Okay, we're not doing a 040 tonight. I think the track is still a little bit too grubby still. The 040. So instead we're going to connect one of my favourite diesels. How come I never throw away, well, get rid of or sell the 060, well the 040, sorry, keep getting the words up, mixed up. The reason I'm not going to get rid of the 040 Pocket Rocket, because she was the one that got me back into the hobby, at least 2 times. I got out of it back in either 2016 or 2017. I completely off my way for that, I don't know, about a week. And I came back to it and thinking to myself, you really love your trains, why are you thinking of selling them all? I think some of these trains were worth profit, and others probably not so much. Not until they got done up properly anyway. Here she comes. What am I going to do now? I'm going to do an overhead shot if I can. Here she comes. And I'm going to put some cuts in this video so that way when the time comes I'm not thinking about moving stuff anymore. I'm putting away from that for now because, as I said, I'm not going to mention it, but I know how quick 10 years can come around. Not in this year, but the thing I wanted to mention actually was next year, obviously, depending on the virus, I'm hoping to get down to Bodmin Parkway next year and do some more filming on the mainline locos, like well, I know we just get down there and get some filming done on the locos, and I would love that. The idea of seeing the 47, the 37 behind with the 25 and the Class 73. Here she comes. try to get a really good close-up shot of her. Oh. Well, I think my idea for tonight is going to bed. There we go. Just hopefully get one shot round in this loco, just going through the tunnel, because it would be nice to get a close up. The layout is quite big, it's just not well used very often. For the amount of things I have happening over the time during this year. But yes, I will catch you guys in another video. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video, guys, for another camo video, and hopefully it'll be a reasonable quality.